So we work in railroad industry. We provide solutions for track owners and track maintainers. So we are located here in capital Helsinki area, and our customers are in Nordics and Baltics at the moment. We find the right partner to help us with that. So with the ProWeld and SmoothTool and Machine Tool, we did have a good team to help us to achieve what we wanted. The actual turn up is very quick because everything is pre-installed. It comes through the door and basically you are ready to go. The actual programming is very intuitive, so there's nothing too much to it. So in many cases we already have a somewhat planned production and we know our customer needs, but it occurs time to time that demand changes, and with this Cobot now we are able to expedite our delivery sometimes with weeks compared to what we were able to do if this kind of unexpected quick delivery is required. Creating a certain component could have taken us, with the normal size of a production batch, would have taken 2 weeks for us, and now we can do it in a week. You need to have proper tools and proper facilities to do this kind of work in this industry. And of course, while having this kind of tools, it gives the right signal that we are serious what we do. From the innovative side, our products, especially Rylex, is somewhat unique. And it's unique not only from the product point of view, but in the point of view how much it is actually in use and how much that saves money for our customers. We are also interesting company from that perspective that we are a nimble, agile company who are maybe addressing our customer needs better than these giants of the world.